Hey everybody, thank you so much for all of your effort yesterday. Everybody who shared, everybody who voted, everybody who signed up for the mailing list, everybody who sent me a message. It was huge. Facing Fire is a documentary about understanding this incredibly complex problem of wildfire, and all of you helped to make that happen yesterday. So let's do it again. We have 3 days left to share this amazing project and to help it be made. Now, most activism that happens on social media doesn't make any difference. We like something, we share something, and the problem actually doesn't change. Here today, every single time you vote, you give this project a better chance of being made. So please do again. Vote, share, spread the message, send me a message if you want. It's so great to hear from everybody. Thank you so much for your help. Let's do it one more day because we got 3 days left. Let's do it. The 2017 wildfire season broke records in Western North America, including number of fires, their intensity, periods without rain, highest monthly temperatures, not to mention the cost of firefighting as well as property damage. But it's just a year on an exponential curve of conditions that have been growing steadily throughout the last decades. And as we look back, we'll see 2017's records as the norm, which begs a lot of questions. How did we get here? Where are we going? What can we do about it? Facing Fire is a documentary that sets out to answer those questions by asking the right questions to the right people, to showcase a small body of relatively unknown knowledge that shows a decidedly different way of looking at land stewardship. The principles, practices, and properties show us not just how to survive, but thrive in a land of fire. To support this doc, vote every single day. Thank you so much for your support.